So I'm here with these beautiful brand new earbuds, Acefast ACEFIT Pro. So it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes in 4 different colors: olive green, cherry blossom, windy purple, lime gray. ACEFIT Pro is a beautiful luminous earhook stereo earbuds. The beautiful breathing light makes them safer at night. Isn't ACEFIT Pro just gorgeous? ACEFIT Pro comes in this beautiful white box. Inside it, ACEFIT Pro in a transparent charging case with digital display. There is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable and a manual. The charging case shows the power level, which is very clear to see at one glance, and it shows 99%. Awesome! ACEFIT Pro can be connected to a smartphone via Acefast app. The app shows a lot of information, including the battery level. And I can change the light effect and the color of the lights. All of the colors were so pretty, so I couldn't decide on which one, but I can always change it very easily via the app. The app also allows for the detailed adjustment on the sound effect, which has original sound, human voice, live bass, and custom EQ. I can also change the gesture control, but the default setting is just fine for me. In the default setting, 1 click decreases the volume. If I click twice, then it's the play or pause button. 3 clicks go back to the previous track. Long press will go into call mobile assistant, but you can always change the setting easily inside the app. Alright, so let me stop the music. And I want to say something really important, which is about the speaker. So what technology do we have in this incredible ACEFIT Pro? So inside here, there is 3-magnet super linear speaker unit. So this 3-magnet super linear speaker unit has great power, wide amplitude. And let me just stop music by pressing button twice, and it stopped. So I'm just going to show you the earbud in detail because it's extremely durable. So inside there is 0.7 millimeter titanium wire, so it's going to be very durable. And this entire hook, once it comfortably gets placed on my ear, of course you can wear, sunglasses, and it does not interfere with your glasses, sunshades. It sits very well in the ear, as you can see. And the awesome thing is, the Acefast team, apparently they've tested out this durability like 10,000 times the bending test. So they will ensure the quality in this super light, super durable ACEFIT Pro. And once you're done with the earbuds, then you can pack it in. And this case, this beautiful case that I've shown you the first thing with all these lights, this is a charging case and it's instantly charging my earbuds. You can see the light here. Although my camera is showing flicker, it does not flicker. There is just light coming on the charging case. So once inside the charging case, you can charge for 10 minutes and the operating time will lengthen for another 2 hours. That's incredible. So basically you will have constant music in your life with this ACEFIT Pro. So just to highlight, single battery time is 6 hours, and with charging case up to 25 hours. That's incredible. That's a very, very, very long time. So right now, I got a phone call, as you can see, and I can hear it on my earphone really well, despite having really huge traffic by the roadside. So all I need to do is tap twice, and then I picked up the phone, and it's very loud and clear. I can actually even hear myself on the phone, and I'm just gonna take the microphone out and show you what the other person on the other phone is hearing. So right now this is the speakerphone. So you can definitely hear very well on the other side with this earbud. So really loud and clear. So this ACEFIT Pro, it's working really, really well. I'm sure you guys can hear me crystal clear. So if I want to turn off the phone call, then all I need to do is tap twice. And the phone call has ended.
and I can go about listening to music. So right now I'm riding a bicycle, and definitely I'm well aware of my surrounding area. Okay, there's nobody around right now, but it stays on very well. So I can listen to the music and also be well aware of my surrounding, you know. It's really lovely listening to my favorite song. How is my ACEFIT Pro? So when you're exercising, there's absolutely no problem wearing this ACEFIT Pro because it has IP54, which means it's sweat, rain, and dust resistant. But don't go swimming with it, but you can definitely enjoy all these light exercises where you will sweat a little bit. This is water resistant, so no problem with the mist.
With Acefast Pro, you can connect to 2 devices at the same time. So if you're using your mobile phone or tablet, you can actually connect to 2 devices at the same time. I'm showing you here how I'm connected to both my mobile phone and my laptop at the same time. It's super convenient. So in that case, you can watch a series, listen to music on your laptop or tablet, and you can still get your call on your smartphone without switching back and forth. Really convenient.
So I've spent several weeks really enjoying ACEFIT Pro by Acefast, and it's beautiful, it looks really good on my ear, and it's so durable. I can use it in the park, I can use it when I'm riding bicycle, I can use it when I'm wearing sunglasses, I can enjoy it even in a gym. So if you guys want to know more about it, then definitely click the link down below and I'll come back with other interesting gadget reviews. So see you!